Python with command. Is this code equivalent to this one? Or the following one? This article, this URL, suggests, if I understand it correctly, that the latter is true. However, the former would make more sense to me. If I am wrong, what am I missing?
It's equivalent to the latter one, because until open successfully returns, f has no value, and should not be closed. According to the documentation, a new statement is proposed with the syntax. The translation of the above statement is: and this is an extended version of your second code snippet. Initialization goes before try ... finale block.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.